I saw this equation on YouTube. I have a different way to approach. I want to share with you. Now, this equation, obviously that cosine x is equal to -2. Now, x must be a complex number. First, we try to find it. What is the sine? Sine x. Now, if this triangle, cosine x is -2. So this is -2. This is a 1. And this side will be 1 minus 4, right? Square root. So you have a positive 3i or negative 3i, right? Yeah, this is x. This is x. So sine x is equal to positive or negative root 3i. Good. Now then we have e to the ix is equal to cosine x plus I sine x. We're looking for x, aren't we? So this, we try to get x. This must be root -2, and root 3i times I is positive or negative 3, right? Positive or negative root 3. Good. Therefore, Ix is equal to log -2 plus or minus root 3. Okay, so it's better because it looks nicer to find x. We know that log and negative something must be complex number, right? So we let this be a plus bi. So Ix is a plus bi. Now, yes. So what is this number? This number must be -2 plus root 3 is equal to take e to the a plus bi, right? Yeah, to find this one, I mean e to the power of that a plus bi, which is equal to e to the power a multiplied by e to the bi. E to the bi is cosine b plus I sine b. Fine. Okay, good. We know that this number, the real part is this one. The imaginary part is 0. Therefore, we have e to the power a cosine b is equal to -2 plus or minus square root 3. And e to the power a times sine b is 0, right? From this equation. The imaginary part is equal to imaginary 0. The real part is this. And from this, b is 0 or pi, right? The b cannot be 0. If b were 0, then Ix is a real number, which is not possible, because we know that ix is a complex number. Therefore, b cannot be 0. So b equals to pi. That means negative e to the power of a is equal to minus 2 plus minus 3, right? Yes. That's it. Because this is 0. This is negative 1. So which means that e to the power of a is equal to 2 plus or minus 3. So we have this number now. Okay, very good. So then a is equal to what? A is equal to natural log 2 plus or minus 3. Yeah, it's getting better. So what we're looking for? We're looking for ix. We're looking for x. Ix is equal to a plus bi. A plus bi. We know that a is a log 2 plus minus 3. And b is a pi. Therefore plus pi I. Then we divide by I, both sides. Divided by I is times the negative I, right? So this becomes well, I don't skip this calculation. This one equal to natural log 2 plus minus square root 3, and plus divided by I is pi, right? So x is equal to negative natural log 2 plus or minus 3 I, right? Plus pi. Since cosine theta is equal to cosine negative theta, therefore, when x is equal to negative natural log 2 plus or minus root 3 plus pi, then x could be also, negative pi. There's I here, and plus natural log 2 plus or root 3i. So these two are solutions. Now, then the cosine function, the period is a multiple of 2 pi. Therefore, the general solution will be, 2n pi plus pi minus natural log 2 plus or minus root 3i, and x equal to 2n pi minus pi plus natural log 2 plus or minus root 3i. So these are two general solutions to our equation cosine x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, thank you for your watching.